Year 2, Lesson 4.1, Developing a Good Work Goal. The unit goal for this unit is that students will use the good project concepts to formulate goals and actions related to good work. Specifically in this lesson, students will be able to apply the various concepts that they've learned from year 2 of the lessons in pursuit of a specific personal goal that they want to achieve related to their future work. For assessment, you can monitor the class discussion during the lesson to help students who may need a little bit of reinforcement for particular ideas. You may review the completed good work goal worksheets for the appropriate application of concepts. And as always, you can analyze the exit tickets for concepts that students are still finding challenging. The CASEL alignment here is self-awareness and identity. For their portfolios, students should hold on to the Your Good Work Goal handout as well as the Year 2 Lesson 4.1 exit ticket. We have only optional resources here in case they're helpful to you. There is a famous failures video, This I Believe essays from NPR, and stories from the World Wisdom Map. Prerequisites are pretty much all the lessons for this year. This is supposed to be coming together and really applying everything that they've learned throughout the curriculum this year to their personal goal for the future. So you should be reminding students at the start of the class about the concepts that have been covered in this set of lesson plans up to the present point. So the 3 E's of good work: excellence, ethics, and engagement. You should be talking about reflection, role models, and then navigating dilemmas. So that is using the lenses of responsibility, values, alignment, misalignment, and roles when you are managing how to best move forward in a particular dilemma. Present students with the Good Work Goal handout and explain again that this exercise is an opportunity for them to take everything, all of the concepts that they've learned together to a personal goal for them to do good work. Students shouldn't feel that their goal needs to be something that they absolutely will achieve or that is immediately attainable. It's fine if it's like a longer term goal or a lofty goal. That's okay. If you would like, you can show the students this famous failures video, which features well-known individuals who may not have immediately been successful or recognized as gifted or able to get to their goals right away. Because when we're trying to work towards bigger goals, students sometimes need to learn that it's okay to have some hiccups along the way and be reminded that not everything that you get to is a straight line. So students should be allowed to take time to work through the worksheet. They can move about the room or use space to help individual students as needed. You might want to allow students to work in pairs or small groups so they can share concepts, but the ideas should be like their own ideas for their own personal goal. It shouldn't be that a group all picks the same goal together. And instead of the worksheet, you might want to wish to represent the ideas in a visual, video, artistic format. It's totally up to you, and you know your students better than anyone else. At the end of the class, you should have students complete the Year 2 Lesson 4.1 exit ticket. So they'll respond to the following prompt, which is, what is one concept from these lessons that you are still finding challenging, or what's one question that you would like to further explore? Possible enrichments will be to engage in a gallery walk of Your Good Work Goal worksheets or representations. They could comment sort of like similarly to the Chalk Talk idea. They can go around, put them up on the walls, and have students walk around and put sticky notes, or even if you had a piece of paper where they could write different ideas down about what their reactions are to different goals, different ideas that they might have that they might want to share with their fellow students. You can also have students pick a This I Believe essay from NPR or a different type of narrative from the World Wisdom Map, where people describe a challenge or dilemma that they encountered and what they did about it. They could create a narrative describing that specific person's situation, and they can use the same frames that they did in the My Good Work Goal worksheet. Again, always feel like you can adapt this for your students if you feel like it's too much writing, if they want to do something creative, PowerPoint, Canva presentation, a graphic organizer, whatever works for them. And they should keep this for the good work portfolio if that's something that they do complete.